Long, healthy nails are not just about genetics, it's mostly about proper care and consistency. If your nails keep breaking, peeling, or growing too slowly, don't worry because in this video I'm going to show you 5 simple habits that can actually help your nails grow stronger and healthier naturally. The first step is protecting your nails from damage. A lot of people don't realize that nails break because of everyday habits like opening cans, scratching surfaces, or constant exposure to water and harsh soap. Try wearing gloves while washing dishes and avoid using your nails as tools. Protecting your nails is the foundation of nail growth. Healthy nails start with healthy cuticles, because that's where new nail growth happens. Keeping your cuticles moisturized helps prevent dryness, peeling, and weak nails. You can use cuticle oil, coconut oil, or castor oil daily. Some people also like mixing a little lemon with oil because it helps make nails look cleaner and shinier. Massage the oil gently into your nails and cuticles for about 1 minute every night. One mistake that damages nails very quickly is aggressive filing. Instead of filing back and forth, always file in one direction to avoid tiny cracks. Also, softer nail shapes like oval or squoval usually break less as compared to very sharp shapes. Nail growth also depends on what you give your body. Protein, vitamins, iron, and enough water all play an important role in keeping your nails strong. Foods like eggs, nuts, spinach, fruits, and plenty of water can support healthier nail growth from the inside. Too much acrylic, glue, or harsh nail products can weaken your natural nails over time. Giving your nails small breaks and keeping them clean can really improve their condition. You can also use a clear strengthening polish if your nails feel weak. And most importantly, stay consistent because healthy nail growth takes time. Taking care of your nails is part of the overall glow up. So be patient, stay consistent, and your nails will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the journey for more beauty, self-care, and glow-up content.